Are you looking for the best vacuums for hardwood floors? In this video we will look at some of the best vacuums for hardwood floors the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsung Jet 90 Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Samsung Jet 90 is a top-rated cordless stick vacuum that maneuvers easily for an efficient cleaning experience. It comes with separate heads for cleaning carpets and hardwood, and the hardwood attachment has a soft brush roll that captures fine dirt and dust particles with ease. It also comes with a mini-powered brush, a combo brush, a crevice tool, and a flex tool for getting into hard-to-reach areas. Thanks to its 2 batteries, this vacuum can run for up to 60 minutes at a time, and it has a telescoping wand that makes it more comfortable for people of all heights. Its 5-layer filtration system captures dust and pet dander, and the vacuum is lightweight enough to easily carry around your home. Number 2. Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum. The Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum is a surprisingly lightweight and budget-friendly option for cleaning your hardwood floors. It has a fairly large dustbin so you won't have to empty it mid-clean, and it features swivel steering and a telescoping metal wand that make this vacuum easy to drive around your home. This vacuum offers 3 suction settings: carpet, upholstery, and hard floors, and you can switch the floor head from carpeting to hard floors using a convenient foot-operated toggle. It has an automatic cord rewind that makes storage a breeze, but keep in mind that the power cord is only 16 feet in length, which is shorter than many other options. Number 3. Miele Boost CX1 Powerline Canister Vacuum. Miele is known for making top-tier cleaning tools built with both efficiency and ergonomic design. It's one of the most compact canister vacuums on the market, but it doesn't compromise on power, for suction settings and a claimed air speed of 60 miles per hour ensure debris is lifted with just a couple of passes. The washable filter saves money on vacuum bags, and the dirt container has a 1-button release for hands-free emptying. It has 3 attachments, including a floor head with retractable bristles, so you can be sure you're sucking up dirt instead of kicking it around, or scratching your floors. Number 4. Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Vacuum. Pet lovers rejoice, this Bissell model is tailor-made to pick up all the hair your furry friend sheds. The large capacity tank prevents clogs from pet hair and won't have you emptying the canister every 15 minutes, as confirmed by our deputy editor, Zoe Hanna, who uses this to clean up after her short hair pup. The brush head doesn't get tangled up with large amounts of pet hair or human hair, and this can effectively clean hardwood floors and low-pile carpets with only a couple of passes. It comes with plenty of attachments including a small handheld brush roll that works on stairs or couches and a crevice tool for corners of the floor or ceiling. Number 5. Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum. As its name suggests, the Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum is a lightweight and budget-friendly option for quick touch-ups around your home. The corded design comes in several different colors, and it easily converts into a hand vacuum, as well. The whole vacuum weighs just 3 pounds, making it easy to move around as needed, and it has an easy-to-empty bagless dustbin. It may not have the most features, but this lightweight model is affordable and easy for anyone to use. Number 6. Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Powerline Vacuum. Designed for hardwood floors, Miele's Classic C1 is a relatively affordable option for the company's premium canister vacuums. The powerful 1,200-watt motor can switch between 6 suction settings depending on the floors. Like other canister vacuums, this model comes with plenty of accessories, including an upholstery and crevice tool and dusting brush. Although the bags do require replacing, an indicator on the canister will tell you when it's time. And you benefit from this vacuum's superior filtration.